Hello friends, Namaste. Today morning I'll be sharing with you some of the tips and tricks. If you just implement, you will be going to learn that how you can come out from the stress and depression because of the lockdown. And when it comes to lockdown, I recently published a book that is Emotional Lockdown, which is available on Amazon. My request to you, please read the book and learn about the winning strategies, how you can come out from the mental trauma, the emotional lockdown, depression and stress. So in chapter number 5, I mention in my book that one of the thing which will be very helpful for all of us, that is yoga and the meditation. And today on the occasion of International Yoga Day, I would like to share with you some of the yoga which I mention in my book. So number 1, sitting in the posture that is called the Padmasana. Always use this posture whenever you are doing a yoga and the meditation. So sitting in this posture and doing a simple yoga, as you know very well, the pranayama. Pranayama is one of the most simplest yoga posture. When you do this exercise, remember you need to inhale the air and you need to exhale the air. So how you should begin? Always begin with just taking few breaths, inhaling and exhaling the air like this. After this, next important thing, you inhale the air, and when it comes to inhaling the air, I would request everyone and suggest everyone inhale the air from the left nostril. So we have two nostril, right nostril and left nostril. Inhaling the air from the left nostril, keeping the air for 10 seconds. And what is the method to keep it counting for the 10 seconds? That you count in your mind about 10 seconds and then exhale the air from the right nostril. So how it should be done, let me share it with you. Many people does this pranayama, but the mistake what they does, they do not keep this inhaled air for few seconds and they just release it. So the important thing, when you do this every day in the morning, this morning air is very fresh air which is full of the oxygen. The amount of oxygen is very high when you breathe and when you do this exercise. So allow this air to circulate in your system inside your body, so that every organ, internal organ of your body should feel fresh, and then you release it. This was the number 1. Number 2, yoga is called the Kapalbhati. What is Kapalbhati? Kapalbhati is you exhale the air continuously, and that is very very helpful in keeping your digestive system, your abdomen strong and keeping yourself very fit. So the people, those who are having gastric problem, those who are having lot of internal that gastric disturbances, this yoga is very helpful in keeping your system fit. So how it should be done, let me share it with you, let me demonstrate you. Sit in Padmasana again, and then so this is Kapalbhati. Make sure that you do at least 50 to 100, the Kapalbhati, the kind of steps over there. Number 3 is called living in the present moment, and that is very much important for meditation. So just close your eyes and just concentrate on the surrounding voices and the kind of the birds which are humming near you and the kind of air which is blowing near you and what is going on in the surrounding. That is very helpful in keeping yourself in the current moment. So when you are doing it, do not think about your company, your people, your friends, your managers, your family members or anything. Just concentrate what is going on in the surroundings. do this for 10 to 15 minutes, I am sure you will be going to get lots of relief. So I mention about all these yoga tips and tricks in my book, that is Emotional Lockdown. My request to all of you, you can read and learn about this. So friends, I am getting a lot of phone calls nowadays that many people have lost the job, they are looking for the job, and because this is the one of the reason that people are coming into the emotional stress, depression and the trauma. So these techniques, these tactics and the tricks will be very helpful, which I mentioned in my book Emotional Lockdown. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you once again the very happy International Yoga Day. Keep yourself fit emotionally, mentally and physically. Thank you so much.